What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode, and it's for FBI. So, FBI, open up. So let's get started. FBI, open up. Okay. Well, I'm gonna do Earth. I'll do 4-star. From gallery, we go there. We go here. And you're on there. There, that's that. I like it. Ooh, you know what? I'm gonna change this one for a minute. I'm gonna use synchro. Ooh, that looks good. I think 5. I'm gonna say dog type. You're a dog type. Okay. There's your attack. You know what, I'm gonna leave it the same. And let me see, your effect could be... This is gonna be hard. Ooh. Once it's destroyed, like, you know, like when FBI is destroyed. Sorry, FBI. Once it's destroyed, ooh, all face up monsters. Jesus Christ, I can't spell anything right. Monsters goes to the graveyard. You know what? That doesn't make any sense. Once it's destroyed, all face-up monsters go to the graveyard. You know what? I'm gonna make his attack. But he has a strong defense. So, I hope you like it, FBI. Let me see. Yeah. So, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.